Hello, welcome to my channel. Um, are you laughing from there?
Yeah.
My husband is laughing from there. I'm making a short, quick video on the tiny, cute things that I bought from Japan.
Tokyo.
From Tokyo. Okay, thanks for the correction. आई जाओ.
नहीं.
So first things first, मैंने बहुत सारे खाने की चीजें लिए क्योंकि द फूड सीन वॉज इनसेन. तो जिसको भी मुझे गिफ्ट्स देने हैं, मेरी सिस्टर को, मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ को, मेरी मदर इन लॉ, मेरी मदर, यूजुअली मैं इन चारों के लिए ही कुछ लाती हूँ. बट कभी कभार कुछ फ्रेंड्स के लिए आई ब्रिंग समथिंग इफ आई फाइंड समथिंग रियली कूल. बट आई बॉट दिस वन थिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ विच इज अ क्विक ड्राई हेयर टर्बन. इट लुक्स सो कूल. शैडो पड़ रहा है. इट्स लाइक दिस. You can dry your hair and tie it up in a bun. जो हम normal towel के साथ करते हैं, you can do it with this. It looks like this. So this is for me. I found this quite cool. फिर मैं लाई हूँ बहुत सारे face masks. This is a moisture mask which I bought for my mother-in-law. It has collagen. It's a to EGF moisture mask which was recommended to me in the pharmacy over there. सो मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने मुझे सिर्फ इतना बोला था कि स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आना अगर कुछ अच्छा लगे तो. सो दिस इज फॉर हर. इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ शीट्स. आई एम अज्यूमिंग एटलीस्ट 10. तो उनके काम आएगी. मेनी थिंग्स. दिस कियाना राइस मास्क विच इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर जापानीज राइस फेस मास्क. सो आई गॉट दिस एज मोमेंटोज फॉर फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज द बायोरे आई मास्क. This is also for my mother-in-law. Majority of the beauty products are for my mother-in-law. This is also the rice mask, but in a pack. Like it's a rice pack. It's thicker. You have to just apply it all over your face. So I think I'll keep this and maybe try this. Next up, I bought this Aura Bright sheet mask. I think give this to my mother-in-law only because she loves sheet masks. This is a very popular brand in Japanese skincare. See, क्या लिखा है कुछ नहीं समझा है, but I had seen this is quite popular. It's a sheet mask as you can see, and I think it's a vitamin C brightening. मैंने वहाँ पे yeah it says Melon CC Premium Mask, but ये मैंने वहाँ पे Google Translate पे फोटो निकाल के चेक करके सब लिया था. काफी कुछ डबल ट्रिपल है. दिस इज अ हाइड्रा मास्क, एजिंग स्किन केयर मास्क विद 24 kinds of lipo capsules and 4 kinds of useful ingredients for every day. Another one for my mother-in-law. Then these are some wasabi flavored broad beans which I picked up at Asakusa food market which is outside the temple. My father-in-law likes all these snacks, you know, beans and peas जो roasted रहते, fried रहते, उनको पसंद आते हैं. So this is for him. And of course for the magnet collector that I am. And this is a cute doll one. This I got for my mother-in-law because she also collects magnets like me. I think I have rubbed off on her. She's become more like me now. Do you agree?
Oh yes.
I also got these Inessa Perfect UV sunscreen. It's in a milk texture. I've bought like these travel exclusive. These are 4. I picked this up at the airport. They are there all over Tokyo. But मैंने ये last minute लिया क्योंकि baggage में जितना space था उस हिसाब से I decided. But this is a really popular sunscreen brand in Tokyo. Inessa and Biore, however you pronounce it. These are 2 really popular brands and you can see them everywhere, all across all the pharmacies, supermarkets, everything. सब जगह ये 2 brand तो उनके है ही. So I got this Fino hair mask which is really popular in Japan. I've got this for a couple of people. My mother, my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law. वैसे मैं 3 ही लाई हूँ. तो I'll see. Whoever needs it, I'll give it to them. This is also really popular along with the Inessa and वो Biore. ये भी सब जगह मिलता है. ये भी मैंने लिया था SK2. This is a really popular Japanese skincare brand. I keep buying this wherever I travel. And मैंने अभी ये तो travel kit लिया है because I like to have small ones for in flight. जब I'm in a flight and I need to do some skincare, so that's why I bought the smaller ones. बड़े वाले मेरे पास घर में हैं. So ये काफी expensive है. So this whole thing was for around 20,000 yen. So this is a more premium skincare brand as compared to the others. But the others are also really really good Japanese products. फिर मैंने ये Dr. Scholl के compression tights लिए हैं for my mother because she has a problem of varicose veins. So she told me to bring some compression socks for her. तो I don't know how this will work for her क्योंकि इसके ऊपर एक भी चीज इंग्लिश में नहीं लिखी हुई है. तो मैंने Google Translate यूज किया था. Next up, I bought this really cute pack of erasers. These are erasers. My niece loves sweets, be it ice creams, cakes, donuts, cookies, candies. She loves it all. And this is an eraser set. So my sister is like, भगवान करे ये खा ना जाए ये स्कूल में लेके जाके उसको स्कूल में देख के मन करके ये खा ना जाए इसको. But it's super cute, so I got this. Now coming to the food items, you can see the Kit Kat has been lined up behind me for a long time. So let's get started. This is a melon flavored Kit Kat. I've bought a whole box. This is a box of 10. मैंने actually खोला है, so I can show you how it's packed. It's like this. हर एक box में 3 है, तो it makes it easier to give friends and family. So this is melon flavor. This is peach flavor, and this is the mighty famous matcha flavor. तो कब से ये दिख रहे थे मेरे पीछे, but I was not able to speak about it. These are really yummy looking matcha cream crackers. I am excited to try this because I actually like matcha over there. मैं यहाँ नहीं पीने वाली हूँ, but वहाँ पे काफी अच्छा बना हुआ था. So I'm excited. The banana flavor. This was actually not bad. It's chocolate coated and the inside is banana. So it gives a very banana pudding flavor. Like वो Magnolia Bakery का जो banana chocolate banana pudding है. It's not that good, but it's not bad. So it was okay. And the other one is this blueberry cheesecake flavor. ये मैंने try नहीं किया. मैंने सिर्फ banana वाला open करके try किया है. And another flavor is peach and sake. The elegant taste of sake, great combination with Kit Kat. Sake is actually a rice wine made in Japan. So I haven't even tried this. Yokomoku is a really famous chocolate shop in Japan. It used to be there in Bombay, but pata nahi store band ho gaya and it's quite famous. So these are chocolate cigars, biscuits. It's a roll and it has chocolate wrapped inside it. And मैंने ये काफी लिए हैं because these are really yummy. The shortbread biscuit with the chocolate inside is such a good combination. मैंने ये पहले जब बॉम्बे में थे तब भी खाए हैं. And even when my sister used to travel to Japan and Thailand, she used to bring this for me. So we love it as a family. So this is something I've bought for some of my family members. These are also 2 biscuits from Yokomoku. This is pistachio and this is natural. I think I've bought one more, which is a lemon butter fragrance. I'm saying flavor. But हाँ, Yokomoku biscuits and chocolates are super popular. आपको कोई भी food hall, अच्छे food hall में मिलेंगे. We got this at Tokyo Food Show, which is next to Shibuya. And इसके काफी locations है. अगर आप Yokomoku के website पे जाओगे तो आपको बहुत सारे स्टोर्स दिख जाएंगे इनके. दे हैव इन गिंजा, दे हैव एट द टोक्यो स्टेशन, दे हैव इट इन शिबुया, इन शिंजुकू, एवरीवेयर. दे देयर ऑल ओवर. दीज आर राइस क्रैकर्स, वेरी पॉपुलर इन जापान. इसमें काफी फ्लेवर्स है, मिक्स्ड सीवीड एंड जैगरी एंड matcha and rose. This is assorted. So I've bought these small packets to give as mementos. This really cute shop in Asakusa which was doing lip balms and hand creams and body lotions for each day of the year. मैंने ये story पे भी डाला था Instagram पे. So I've bought a couple. This is dated June 29th. This is for Surya's sister. Her birthday is on June 29th. So ये मैंने अपने लिए, सूर्या के लिए, मेरी बहन के लिए and Surya's sister. For all of us, I've got these. See, it says 29 June. It's actually a great day to remember her birthday because it's the World Cup winning anniversary now for us. So, 2 milestones on one day. Na?
Correct.
Yeah, so her birthday, and this is such a cute souvenir. Even if she doesn't throw the bottle, whenever it's over, she will always keep it because it has her birthday on it. So it was quite cute in my opinion. And the last couple of things I got, this is a salt cake, which was a little sweet, na? Remember when we had it?
Yeah.
It was a little sweet, but it was sweet and salty. So it's called the Fukusaya Cube. We ate this in what is that, Matsuya Ginza Mall, in the food court. We ate it there, and I bought a couple of them to give everyone. And Royce chocolates are there in Bombay also, but these flavors nahi hai hamare paas. This is the matcha chocolate bar and the fruit chocolate bar. The fruit bar mein it has strawberry, mango, cranberry, banana and nutty puff in chocolate. So I'm assuming ye white chocolate hai. So this will be a nice one to try, and of course matcha. It may not be. I've also got the matcha broom to give a friend of mine. She was convincing me to try matcha in Japan, so I tried it, and since I've liked it, I've got the matcha powder and the matcha broom. It's not a broom, but whatever it is. Lakde ka whisk. Lakdi ka. You know, when I was buying that, you know what Surya asked me? What did you call it?
Kya?
वो छोटा सा
Toothpick.
toothpick. He called it toothpick. And this is the classic nutty chocolate bar of Royce. जिसने खाया उनको पता होगा. ये तो super famous है with hazelnuts and almond, peanut. It has almond, pecan, cashew, macadamia, nutty puff and praline in chocolate. This is really good. जिसने भी नहीं खाया, बॉम्बे में स्टोर है, स्विगी पे ऑर्डर कर लो, कहीं से भी ऑर्डर कर लो, जाके ट्राई करो. ये बहुत बहुत टेस्टी है. तो this was mostly whatever I bought in Japan, और जो मैंने खाया है वो आप लोग ने प्रीवियस वीडियो में तो देख ही लिया है. आई हैव पोस्टेड द होल जापान vlog. So this was a quick haul of the things that I bought, all absolutely unnecessary, but but super cute, and food items never go wrong. सबको पसंद आती है. हम जब एक मार्केट में चल रहे थे तो एक फॉरेनर कपल थे. दे वर फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स, दे वर नॉट जापानीज. वो लोग वॉक करते करते वो हस्बैंड अपनी वाइफ को बोल रहा है कि ये सारी चीजें दिखने में इतने क्यूट और एस्थेटिक है, बट एब्सोल्युटली यूजलेस है और हमें इसकी बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, बट देख के मन करता है कि यार ले ही जाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. देयर वर मल्टीपल प्लेसेस दैट वर डूइंग पर्सनलाइज्ड चॉपस्टिक्स एंड चॉपस्टिक होल्डर्स. हम घर में इतना सुशी खाते नहीं है, हम बाहर खाते तो हम लाए नहीं, बट जो लोग घर में बनाते हैं, यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट दैट डन. सो और यू कैन, इट्स अ गुड गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन ऑल्सो. But yeah, that's about it from my whatever I bought in Japan and in Tokyo. We only did Tokyo, so yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye. Also, I bought these really cute sunglasses from Gucci. They're so pretty. They have such nice pearl detailing. You have to see it. I bought this at the airport, but just look at this. ये कितना सुंदर है. The pearls, it's so nice on dresses since I wear all these cute dresses. And see, look at that. That's so nice. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments.